In the following video, we're going to set up motion detection at the local interface of an Elite recorder. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you want to right click and go to main menu, then go to event. Now we're in event, you want to go to video detect and motion detect. Here you want to enable your channels and then go to region. Here you can set your sensitivity, your threshold, and your zone. So the sensitivity, the higher that number, the more active. And the threshold is how deliberate this setting will be. So the higher the threshold, the less likely the chances you're going to get recordings. So you want to keep that kind of low. The default value is around 3 to 5. And then your zone. The red is active, and what you can see is inactive. So that's very important. Red is active, and what you can see through is inactive. All right, we'll right click out of that. Go in it one more time just to make sure my settings were set. And next you can set your period. So here you can have a custom period or a time profile when you want the motion to be active. All right, then you have some other settings here. Your anti-dither. This is how many seconds something has to appear in the image for it to activate. All right, another important thing to know is your record channel. Make sure it is set to the correct channel. So channel 1, you would want record channel 1 as well. Okay, we'll hit OK out of there. Just make sure the settings still saved. So apply and then OK. And then we'll go into our storage settings. So we'll right click, go to main menu, go to storage. And here we want to set our schedule. So we'll go under schedule and then click the wheel. And here you can set your motion. And you can copy to all days. Or you can do a custom schedule and apply. And then you could also copy to all cameras. All right, we'll apply that. And then I'm going to trigger motion and we're going to watch the playback. All right, so I just triggered some motion. We're going to right click and look for that time. We'll go to search. We'll select camera 1. And you'll see there's a green timeline at the bottom, which was recording continuous, but to the right of that, you'll see a small little yellow line, which is motion. See that there? That's your motion. So I'm going to go ahead and trigger it again just to make sure that it is indeed active. All right, and now I should have 2 yellow lines, which I do. And then you'll see the motion. If you have any more questions, please visit our website at securitycameraking.com. Thank you so much for watching.